Santosham. Today we are going to do Padma Mayurasana, also called Lotus and Peacock pose. Padma means lotus, Mayura means peacock, and Asana means pose. This advanced arm balancing pose requires deep hip opening and shoulder flexibility. Please exercise caution and avoid attempting this pose if you cannot comfortably sit in Padmasana or have any existing shoulder or wrist injuries. Now, let's do the pose. First, perform Padmasana, Lotus pose, by placing your right foot on your left thigh and your left foot on your right thigh. Rise onto your knees, bend forward, and place your palms on the floor, with your fingers pointing towards your feet. Bend your elbows and bring them together to support your abdomen. Lean forward, letting your trunk rest on your upper arms. Take a deep breath, lift your legs off the ground, and keep them parallel while maintaining your balance. Keep your chin forward and gaze ahead. Hold this pose for as long as comfortable, holding your breath or practicing slow, shallow breathing if needed. To release, exhale and lower your legs. Return to the Lotus pose. Rest in Balasana, Child's pose, to relax. Now, inhale, come up, and relax. Thank you for watching. Santosham.